Modes of nutrition in plants. The process of obtaining food is called nutrition. There are various ways by which plants obtain their food. Basically, we can classify nutrition in plants as autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let's talk about autotrophic mode of nutrition. Green plants absorb carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, they convert these materials into food. This process is called photosynthesis. That means green plants have ability to prepare food for themselves. Such plants are called autotrophs. The kind of nutrition in which an organism prepares its own food is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Examples are all green plants, blue-green algae, etc. Now, let's talk about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. There are plants which cannot produce their own food, and so these are dependent on green plants or other organisms for their food. Such mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition could be parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic, or insectivorous. Let's have a closer look over each of them. Parasitic nutrition. Some plants like Cuscuta, locally called amarpel, grows over other plant and obtain nutrients from it. Such plant is called parasite. And the plant over which it grows and obtain nutrients is called host. Such mode of nutrition in which organism obtain nutrient from other organism's body is called as parasitic mode of nutrition. Other examples of parasitic plants are corpse flower, Rafflesia, etc. Saprophytic nutrition. Some plants such as mushroom secrete digestive juices on dead part of the plant or animal so as to convert it into simple substances in solution form. They absorb nutrients from the solution so formed. Such mode of nutrition in which organism obtain nutrients from dead and decaying organic substances is called saprophytic mode of nutrition. And the organism which have this mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. Other examples are bread mold, also known as rhizopus, mucor or pin mold. Often, food like pickle and materials like leather get spoiled because of saprophytes such as fungi. Symbiotic nutrition. There are some organisms which live together like friends. They share shelter and food. In science, we call such relationship as symbiotic relationship. For example, rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants such as peas, moong, beans, etc. The leguminous plant let the bacteria live in its roots and also provide food to it. On the other hand, the rhizobium bacteria convert nitrogen present in the soil in the form usable by the plant. In this way, both are benefiting from each other. Another example of symbiosis is algae and fungi. It is called lichens. Fungi share shelter, water, and other nutrients to algae. In turn, the algae offer food prepared by photosynthesis to the fungi. Insectivorous nutrition. Have you ever heard about insect-eating plants? Yes, it is true that some plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant can eat insects. They are colorful to attract insects towards them. Part of their body, such as leaves, are modified into trap organs such as pitcher, which helps for catching the insects. The hairs present in the pitcher hold the insect and does not let it escape. With the help of digestive enzymes, they digest the food and obtain nutrients from it. The question is, why do they need to eat insects? Well, the reason is quite simple. There is need of conversion of complex matter in the form which can be used by plants. The job is done by bacteria such as rhizobium. The process of conversion of complex nitrogenous matter into simple forms such as ammonia that can be used by plants is called nitrogen fixation or nitrification. Because of acidic soil, the process could not be completed. In such case, the plants search for other sources of food which is nothing but the insects. So I hope you got good knowledge of the topic. Thanks for watching this video. Visit learnfatafat.com for more such interesting videos. You can now download Learn Fatafat Android app for better learning. You can also buy your favorite course in the form of DVD, pen drive, SD card or tablet phone.